What's going on, guys? Ron with Weber Chevrolet and I sell Corvettes.com. It's been quite a while since my last video, as most of you know. Unfortunately, there hasn't been a whole lot to discuss since our last allocations were put out in November. So let's discuss December. Not wonderful news. We only got one allocation. I listed that on my website already last week. I was out of town, so I was not able to upload a video or make a video, edit it, upload it, do all that stuff. So knocking that out today. We expected allocations might go backwards due to them already being behind with November allocations and the holiday break coming up, all that. So it wasn't a shock. I maybe would have liked to seen 2 or 3 at least, but we get what we get. We don't throw a fit, so here we are. So that would bring us on to the bigger news. As everybody already knows, Friday night, Bowling Green was hit by the storms. Looks like small tornado, whatever the damage was from, did do a little bit of damage to the building, created the fire on the roof that everybody's seen already. The photos I've seen just looks like there may be a couple cars that could have sustained a little bit of damage outside. I don't know the extent of what really looks like there, obviously, but not being there. I did have a car built on Friday, so we're crossing our fingers hoping that all is going well. But Bowling Green is shut down this week, as most of you know, due to that damage. They have not updated for next week, but they have already warned suppliers there is a possibility they will be closed again next week. They don't have an answer for that yet. I'm guessing they're still looking at the extent of the damage and figuring out how long it's going to take to fix everything. If they can get that done, get some cars knocked out, I'm going to expect with these delays that January allocations likely won't be canceled altogether, but they will likely be minimal. That's just my prediction at this point. I do believe there is a possibility GM will end up possibly extending the 2022 model year by another month. Who knows? I mean, again, that's not solid information. Nobody knows this, but they do have a specific number I believe they wanted to get produced this year. So we'll see what happens. None of us know what's going to happen in the future yet. GM has not put out any specific numbers or solid numbers to know of or to speak of. So let's just see what happens and we'll go from there. But to recap, December we only got one allocation, a little bit short of what I'd like, but kind of expected to be less than what's been typical recently. And Bowling Green is shut down for at least this week, possibly even next week. Who knows how long it'll take exactly to fix the damage from the storms. But we do not have an update on specific vehicles being damaged or VIN numbers, at least as of yet that I've been informed of. So hopefully the one car I had sitting there didn't get damaged. If it did not, then hopefully, Gary, you'll be getting yours soon. But if you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to comment, email me, and talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching.